What's good, YouTube, man? We back with another banger, another video, bro. Today, you already know what we're doing, bro. We going crazy, bro. We got another mod today. We're doing the RGB lights. You know what I'm saying? Hell, let me show y'all real quick. You know, we got the 5.7 right here going crazy. You know what I'm saying? But we getting rid of these plain white. You see them boys? We're getting rid of them plain boys, and we put it in. You know, what the fuck, camera? And we putting in, you know, the RGB boys. So we're gonna change them to any color. But y'all already know what we doing today, bro. We're going crazy. It's gonna take me a few days to install this, but we're gonna get it right. Stay tuned for the video. Subscribe. Let's go. Alright, YouTube. First things first, we had to take the bumper off, you know what I'm saying? But we got it off. I did break some plastic. I ain't gonna lie. But anyway, yeah. We had to take the bumper off. I did break a few other things, but it don't really matter. We got it off. So now I'm about to take both these headlights out. And basically, I'm about to open the headlights up, put the RGB panels in, switch them out. I'm going to show y'all a little bit of something. I ain't buy the pre-builds. I'm doing it myself. You know what I'm saying? But let's go. All right, YouTube, that's one headlight down. We just got one more to go. This one being stubborn, but we gonna get you out, bro. We gonna get you out, bro. Stop playing with me, bro. Stop playing with me, bro. But as you can see, yeah, we got one out. So let me get this other one out and start working on this boy. Let's go. All right, y'all, we got that boy out. He was a little stubborn, but I smacked him in his ears and he fell out, you know what I'm saying? But we got both of them out. I had to take this off my intake, you know what I'm saying, just to get this bitch out. But, you know, it's out now, you know what I'm saying? Got both of them sitting right here, you know what I'm saying? So now I'm about to go inside and do all the little, you know, internal stuff, bring it back out. And y'all already know what the deal is. I start taking these boys apart and switching out all the guts and stuff. Let's go. That boy look weird though without headlights. What the heck? God. While I'm taking apart those headlights, let's talk about today's sponsor, Oxito. Oxito reached out to me about some LED lights, and this is a review on them. Let's see how they go. So as we open the box here, yeah, that was a clean opening. We got some gloves. This is very nice. This come in handy. We got the Oxito paperwork, and we have, ooh, these are some nice looking LEDs. Nice and big, nice and bulky. Pause. You know what I'm saying? Here's a closer look at them, so you can see more of what they look like. As you can see, they're very, very top quality. It looks like they're built very sturdy. You know, all the good things you look for inside your headlights. You know. Before we install these headlights, this is what my headlights look like before the installation. Roll the clip. Alright, YouTube, as you can see, these lights are the original stock lights. I do have tinted headlights, and these are how bright they are right now. That's about it right here. The other one is actually a different color. I'm not sure why it's a different color, but that's how bright it is. I can turn the lights off again real quick so you guys can see. As you see, the lights are pretty dim. Gloves fit really well. Shout out to Oxito for that add-on. Okay, guys, so first things first, if you have anything blocking, like I had an intake blocking me from getting to the, you know, headlight, you will want to remove that. After removing that, you're going to want to remove this cap so you can have access to the light bulb you see in there. There is a small lever on the side of the bulb, and once you push it down, it will detach the bulb. Once loose, remove the connector from the port so you can remove the bulb. Now for a side-by-side comparison, this one actually comes with a fan on the back. The other one does not. And as you can see, one's a bulb and one is LED. Let's get these installed. To install these, you want to reverse the steps you did to take them out. First things first, you want to plug the connector back in that was removed. Next, you're going to want to push the bulb all the way in and push the lever back down. Grab your waterproof lid, screw it back on, and that will be it for this side of the installation. Next, reinstall your air filter and repeat the steps for your other headlight. As you can see, these lights are much brighter. They're even lighting up the back room over here. They weren't doing that last time. It's very, very bright. Here we are from a distance. Like I've said before, I do have headlight tint, so it's very impressive that the lights are shining this well outside the headlight tint. It looks like I don't even have headlight tint. Click the link below to get 15% off any LEDs you may purchase. A special thanks to Tuxedo for sending me these LEDs. Now with that said, let's get back into the video. YouTube, man. I stayed up all night putting this together, you know what I'm saying? But I finally got the RGB, my hands dirty as hell. I got the RGBs inside the headlights. As you can see, I had to take and cut all the stuff. Yes, it took me a long time to do it. It took me all night, but it wasn't hard. It was just that it was just so many steps. But they're in the RGBs. We're gonna get these back installed into the 5.7 crazy boy. I gotta put this back in too. But and then put the bumper back on, and you already know we finna.
What's wrong with him? Something wrong with this nigga, bro.
Alright guys, we got both of them installed, you know what I'm saying? Finally got them back in, you know what I'm saying? Ooh. We finna now see the final product. We about to see, well, obviously I gotta put the hood back on, but we about to see what they look like, you know what I'm saying? With these I can't even fucking talk. This the remote. I'm probably gonna use the app, but just for right now, this the remote, so. Ooh! Ooh! Yes, sir. Oh my God. Look at that, boy. That looks so hard, bro. Hold on, let me see red. Wait, red. Wait, it's the one I'm about to. Oh. What y'all gonna do if you see this coming behind you on the road, bro? Like, stop playing. But yeah, y'all, let me go through the colors a little bit so y'all can see. We got green, blue, pink, the fuck, yellow. Yellow low-key look hard. What the fuck? What's this? It's like a blue. This boy hard. What up? Alright, YouTube, you know what I'm saying? This the final, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, this the final touches to this boy. We downtown. Had to get the good view to go with it. You know what I'm saying? That's the final touch, though. I got the flows on right now. This is my favorite setting right now. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, let me get y'all a good view. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? That's the damn camera. You know what I'm saying? That's the final touches. Let me know what y'all think of this motherfucking shit. I'm about to go crazy. Alright, YouTube, bear with me. It's very windy outside, but I just want to give y'all a 360 of what it looks like in the daytime. So, yes, sir. Hold on. Yeah. No, I'm saying? This is what it look like. Or more of a 180 than a 360, but here, let me change the color to red. These are the different colors. You know, obviously I can do the fucking, you know what I'm saying, make them do all the cool stuff. But I'm really gonna stick with red for right now because it goes the best. But yes, sir. Get y'all a 360 of this whole entire bit. Ooh. Hold on. Ooh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hold on. I feel like it really go well with the color scheme. What y'all think? What y'all think, bro? Like, this bitch hard as hell. Camera, come on. You know what I'm saying? I want to take the hood off this bitch. Alright, YouTube, that's the end of the video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this motherfucking video, you know what I'm saying? Let me know what y'all think of the headlights, bro. Like, it's windy as hell out here, but stay with me, y'all. Stay with me. Hold on, let me show y'all. Once again, you know what I'm saying? Ooh. You know what I'm saying? That bitch crazy, you know what I'm saying? But let me know what y'all think about the headlights. Remember, 15% off the light bulbs, you know what I'm saying? The Oxydo lights, you know what I'm saying? Get you a pair of lights, bro. Get you a pair with the box. I got the box in here still. Get you a pair of these Oxydo lights, bro. You seeing how bright they are, bro. These boys crazy, you know what I'm saying? But that's the end of the video. Remember to subscribe. Everyone that has subscribed, bro, I'm so thankful. We just hit 1.5 million views, bro. Going crazy, you know? But I was about to shut that out, but that's the end of the video. I really had fun with this project, and thanks again for Oxydo for sending me those LED lights. They came in clutch, of course, you know what I'm saying? So 15% off if you buy your own. Remember, 15% off. Click the link below. With that all said, that's the end of the video. And only thing I gotta say is subscribe. And I love all my supporters and my haters. And we out, bruh. Hold on, I gotta